In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check uploaded photos in Google Drive. Let's start by opening your web browser of choice. It could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you prefer. Once you're there, type in drive.google.com in the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the Google Drive homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account credentials. Simply enter your email and password, and you'll be on your way. Now that you're on the Google Drive homepage, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. This search bar is a powerful tool for locating any file within your drive, and you can use it to find your uploaded photos. Click into the search bar and type in a keyword related to the photo you're looking for. If you're not sure of a specific keyword, you can simply type photos, and all your photo files will be displayed. Remember, Google Drive supports a wide range of photo file formats, including JPEG, PNG, and more, so you should be able to locate any kind of image file that you've uploaded previously. If your files are well organized, you might prefer to navigate through your folders rather than using the search bar. On the left-hand side, you will see a menu icon with different links such as My Drive, Shared with Me, and others. Click on My Drive to explore all the files and folders you have. Browse through your directories until you find the folder where you usually keep your photos. Once you've navigated to the correct folder, you can sort the files by name, date, or even file type to make your search easier. To sort the files, click on the little triangle icon next to the name column. This will allow you to reorder the files as needed. You can view your photos either in a list format or as thumbnails by adjusting the View button located at the top right corner of the page. Now click on any photo to preview it. A larger view of the image will be displayed on the screen, but don't worry, this won't alter the file in any way. While previewing the photo, you can choose to download, share, or even delete it using the icons located at the top right corner of the screen. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, checking your uploaded photos in Google Drive becomes a straightforward process. Whether you're using keywords in the search bar or navigating through your folder structure, Google Drive offers user-friendly tools to manage your photos effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.